Hey guys, so I'm making a video on basically the DaVinci Resolve on KDE Plasma on CachyOS. For some reason, when you enter DaVinci Resolve, none of the keyboard keys work. Your keyboard just does not work in the program. So here's me spamming my split keybind. Here's me trying to spam keyboards. I don't know if you can hear that. Now, the solution to this is actually I'd say janky, but it works pretty good. And something about the KDE global app menu, it just affects the way DaVinci Resolve interacts with the keyboard. So basically all you have to do is follow all of this. I will put it in the description. And basically all it does is it disables the KDE global app menu, launches DaVinci, and then re-enables it. That's it. So all you do is just go to your home directory and then just create the file. This is the script. You just copy paste it and then you save it to your home directory. Now you have it here. Next thing is you basically go to your desktop application. If you do not have this, you can just go find the applications, the desktop application in user share applications. You'll find your DaVinci desktop. All you have to do is just go to properties, and then you direct the program to your script, and by doing that, because I changed this to go back to default, but if I was to direct it to my script file and I launch it, go split, go split, it works now. Testing 1 2 2 3, and to close DaVinci, Control Q. There you go. This is a short little tutorial.